Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this Energizer advanced power booster technology cells. So these are the power batteries, and over here as you can see it's written 4+2. That means 4 are the original pack and 2 are bonus pack cells they have given from AA. And what size it is? AA. Okay, AA is the size. And what purposes it is used is gaming, then household cells, then photos for cameras and all, whosoever camera requires it. They have mentioned some warnings. They have mentioned some warning attentions and all, and over here it is written 1.5 volts Energizer advanced 80% power, long lasting, holds power up to 10 years. Let's see, after using we'll come to know whether it will hold power till 10 years or just it will fusso in one day. So this is how I'm taking off. Come on guys, come out. So these are the 6 cells. Beautiful color, silver and blue, and with black and white written over here. Nice, I like it. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.